timetabling software takes care of. 1. Maximum and minimum lessons a teacher can have in a day. 2. Maximum lessons a teacher can have continuously. 3. Maximum gaps between teachers' lessons. 4. Maximum double lessons a teacher can have in a day. 5. Double lessons being consecutive. 6. Single and double lessons for sciences being in a day. 7. Collision in the labs. 8. Distribution of lessons in the morning and afternoon. 9. Group/related subjects being consecutive. 10. Free afternoons for all teachers. 11. Form for special programs. 12. Remedial, tuition and exam invigilation timetables. 13. Special requests of teachers. 14. Annual subscription charges. For more information, contact Cyrus through 0720 872 582.